welcome back to our kitchen. Today let us learn how to prepare restaurant style Channa Masala in a simple way. It goes very well with rice and dal. Let's quickly go and check out the procedure to cook. Here I have taken 1 cup of chana. I had soaked it overnight for about 8 to 9 hours and then cooked it for about 3 whistles in a cooker. Next, 1 onion finely paste, 1 tomato paste, 2 crushed green chilies. Next, 1 spoon of chole masala powder, it gives a very good taste. 1 spoon of red chili powder. Here we have already taken green chili, so you can add this red chili powder according to the spiciness you need. Next, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, 1 spoon of garam masala powder, 3 to 4 spoons of oil, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of jeera powder, 1 whole dry red chili, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and salt to taste. Next, switch on the stove and take a kadai. Once the kadai is hot, then add oil into it. Next, add dry red chili and cumin seeds. Fry it for 1 or 2 minutes. Then add this onion paste and fry this paste for 1 or 2 minutes till the color changes slightly. Yeah, like this. Now add crushed green chili and salt to taste. Mix everything once. Then add ginger garlic paste and fry it till the raw smell disappears. Now add turmeric powder and tomato puree. Now close the lid and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Then add garam masala powder, coriander powder. Keep the sim in low while adding all the masalas. Then add jeera powder, chole masala powder and give it a good mix. Now add this chana into it. Now mix everything properly. Now add red chili powder. You can add this in the beginning also. Now close this lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. You can garnish with kasuri methi to give a restaurant taste. That's it. Simple and spicy chana masala is ready to taste. If you like this recipe, then do try this in your home and do let me know how it tastes in comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Soon we'll meet in a new video with a new recipe. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.